add a new device, visit the Settings page and click on Add Device. You will be asked to input the IMEI number of your device and the activation code, the device serial number. You can find these details on your device packaging. Name your device. If necessary, set the average fuel consumption of the vehicle in which you have installed your device. Choose the icon you wish to use for your device and its color. By clicking on Add Device, Greenbox will ask you to input your vehicle data. You need this to produce an installation certificate which you can provide to your insurance company should they need it. Set the vehicle type, brand, model, year of production, plate, and VIN number. You will also need to set the vehicle voltage and the fuel type. Input the total kilometers as indicated on your vehicle dashboard. If your device is an Echo or support the OBD2 dongle, you need to tell Greenbox that you are using OBD2 dongle by selecting the option OBD dongle installed. You will then be able to see the OBD2 settings and with the dongle data pre-filled. Check the dongle data details and make sure it matches with the data you should have on the device packaging. You may now click on Add Device. You will be asked to read and agree with the terms and privacy before completing the device registration. You will get a message saying that the registration was successfully completed. Check your email. You should have received the installation certificates, terms, privacy, and a quick guide to start using your device immediately. Should you need to delete your device from Greenbox, select the device you need to delete and click on Delete Device.